What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about AMC Entertainment stock. Then we're going to check the options flow. So this morning when Joe Biden said the plan to fight COVID-19 doesn't include shutdown. As soon as that announcement was made, we saw a uptrend on the SPY as well as the AMC Entertainment stock. As we know, there is a negative theta on AMC Entertainment stock, which means the AMC stock goes up when the entire stock market is going down, which was nowhere close for what we saw yesterday. So like I have mentioned it in my previous videos, I want AMC to have its Moass in a upward momentum of this SPY or a sideways momentum. Because if the stock market is going down, it could be a very scary scenario for a lot of individual out there expecting that the AMC short position are going to be closed at a point, and after that a Moass is going to happen. The same thing happened with the Volkswagen in 2008 when the stock started going down with the entire market, and when it went down to the bottom, then the short squeeze start happening in it. The stock might go back to $10 or $15 and then it starts going up. But the simple thesis behind this stock is the shorts have to cover their shorts position by buying back the shares. What we know from the current news that came out, that there is a third case of Omicron in US. And what we know recently, a day before yesterday, the retail bought $2.2 billion worth of dip on the entire market. And I wonder what stock they were basically buying. If they bought a lot of AMC and GME, then I'm most likely having an understanding towards why this action was happening of a sell off on AMC, because probably the shorts are scared. They want to short it down as much as they can so that the new investors, those who are a little bit skeptic about the stock, they might lose their conviction in it. As we can see on my screen, the RSI has gone down. This stock is oversold, and it started rising up after the news today when Joe Biden said he's not looking forward to any lockdowns for dealing with Omicron virus. Now, the scientists are still trying to figure out if the Omicron virus is highly infectious or not. As soon as we get some sort of a confirmation from the media that the new Omicron virus is not that infectious or is not that deadly, it will send an upward momentum into the entire stock market. But what we saw yesterday on the AMC Entertainment stock, that just a one case of Omicron virus in California created a 15 to 16% sell off in that stock. It is pretty questionable. I personally believe that the sentiment of the entire market makes a big difference in an AMC stock. Short sellers are waiting for some bad news to be out there so that they can short this stock. But if you hold your conviction into the AMC stock that it will have a Moass soon, mother of short squeeze, then this price action should not intimidate you at all. Now we're going to check the options flow for AMC Entertainment stock. As you can see on my screen, there are a lot of investors, those who are buying a put option on AMC. Some of them are selling as well. Selling put options means it's a bullish trend that the stock will be staying above $29. That's what this person is buying. They collect a premium on selling this put option. If the stock goes down below $29, then this individual needs to buy the stock at that given price. But when we see the majority of the option flow in AMC Entertainment stock, it shows that people are betting this stock is going to go down, and $25 put option is most sold one. In my personal opinion, I don't think so that it's going to happen. The current price of AMC Entertainment stock is a pretty tasty dip to buy. Call option on an AMC Entertainment stock is the best way to go with the leaps, could be the only way to go. But this is not a financial advice. Any risk that you take is completely on your own. Whatever I'm telling on YouTube is just for the information and entertainment purposes only. Now we are checking the flow of the entire market, where the people are betting the market is going to go. Few people just today bought some puts on SPX with the belief that the stock market is going to go down a little bit more further. When we go down on the options flow a little bit, we see a lot of people are selling put option on the SPX, which means the stock is going to go up from here onwards, and these people are going to basically collect a premium by selling the put option. And we see it's a very bullish flow coming into the SPX. That means we are having a green days ahead. Now we're going to check the options flow for GME. Just by looking at the options flow today, I see a lot of people are still buying put option on GME. GME and AMC both are highly manipulated stock. You have to be very careful with buying a short-term option on these two stocks. Now we're going to talk about what's the news that came out regarding the Chinese stock today. So what US regulators are trying to do, they want to delist the Chinese companies from the New York Stock Exchange. There are some solid companies like Neo, Xpeng Li, they are all getting beaten down just because of this news out there, which is completely not in favor of any of the Chinese stock. We know Alibaba, it's been a falling knife since $200 and above. Now I'm going to talk about another meme stock, which is SNDL. This stock is also heavily shorted, but this stock is a penny stock. It's almost around 60 cents right now. So you can buy a lot of share for very less amount of money. So how this stock works is basically it goes up along with other meme stocks like AMC, GME, Express. Now AMC and GME are the two main stocks for the short squeeze. But these stocks are also going to go up along with them. Now in the SNDL option flow, I checked a lot of people are buying leaps on it for 2023, which is a very bullish sign for this stock right now. And as we see in the chart, you see the stock went up quite a bit. It was just on the earnings announcement, which was pretty much in the favor of the company. The short sellers wants to keep this stock below $1 so that this stock has most likely chances of getting delisted in the future. But this company, SNDL, it's a ganja play. So the overall sentiment of the AMC stock seems to be very positive until unless we see something negative coming out in the media regarding Omicron. So if you're thinking of yourself investing in the US stock market, please use the link in the description box below. In the meanwhile, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.